I certainly understand that the process of going through a personal injury case and the time that it takes for those cases to sometimes resolve can be a frustrating process to have to go through. There are some reasons behind why these types of legal cases can take a while to resolve. Now, one reason the court system is very backed up. If you have to have an actual jury trial, COVID certainly did not help the length of time it takes to get that time in front of the judge and in front of the jury. So that is one factor. There are several other factors, though, that are more based around the plaintiff. So one thing to keep in mind is when you are injured, it's very important that you have completed all your treatment and gotten back to a baseline, or even if you're still going through treatment, the projection for what your prognosis is and what you will need down the line in regards to future medical care, that all is properly understood. Those are all things that would be factored into a settlement. So you would not want to settle a case too quickly when the full extent of your injuries are not known or the full extent of the future medical care that you will need are not known, because then the insurance company is not going to properly value those items, and you would not be able to come back later based on the same injury and ask for additional compensation. Now, and one other factor to keep in mind is insurance companies are not in any hurry to settle these cases. So I think sometimes by drawing it out, they are hopeful that plaintiffs will take a quick settlement because they just want to be done with it. So that's why it's important that you have a legal team in your corner who is familiar with these types of cases, who handles negotiations, mediations, trials on a regular basis, so that they can properly advise you about whether an offer you're presented with is fair or not. Our office here has handled these types of cases all across the board, so if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here. Our consultations are always free, and we only get paid when we win your case.